this quick tutorial I will show you how to make the terrain slippery an object, or also how to make a bounciness effect to it. So as you can see, I have a hard time gliding on it. If I will stop holding the W now, the object will stop almost instantly. And I have a way how to make it slippery, and all this without writing a single line of code. So let's see how can we do it. So here at the assets menu, you will have to right click on it and select create and select physics material from here. Now as you have it, name it as you want. I will name it tutorial for the purpose of this video, and I have it right here. Click once on it and this menu will pop up, and I will explain to you what you have inside here. You can decrease the static friction. If you go to the 0, this is the lowest you can go. If you do that, the terrain will become slippery almost instantly, or if you increase that number, well, in this case you will have a hard time moving on that terrain because there will be a lot of friction going on between your character and also the terrain. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set these values to 0, alright, and now select your terrain. Either if you press at the scene on it, or also at the hierarchy menu, you can click once on the terrain, and after that at the inspector menu, scroll down until you find the terrain collider right here. If you don't have, and I doubt about it, if you don't have it, you can press on add component, search here for the terrain collider and add it from here, but I won't do that because I already have it, okay? So once you find the terrain collider, you'll find here material and an empty box. And what you want to do, drag and drop the material that you created here at the box of the material, alright? And now I'll hit play and let's see how my character behaves now. Now it's much slippery. So I'm holding right now the W and I stop pressing right now. Okay, and it started to glide nice, and I instantly made the terrain slippery. Now let's see how can we make it bouncy. You can create another one and name it bounce. Right click at the assets and now press on create and select again the physics material. Let's name it jump, or name it as you want. Okay, click once on it, and now what I want to do, I want to make it this also slippery like the last one, but let's increase the bounciness level to 1. And now I will click on this game object which I have right here. It's just a cube, or also you can select it from the hierarchy menu. And now what you need to do, you have to add the box collider. I already added my own, but if you don't have one, go down here, press on add component and select for a box collider or any types of colliders, okay? And at the box collider, the same, you have material, and here you'll have the material which you give it to it. I already have one to it, so I'll click once on it and delete it, and let's add the material which we just modified earlier. And now let's hit play and let's try to jump on that game object. Okay, so I'll move to it, spam the space a little bit and let's jump on it. Okay, I can see that there is no bounciness on this game object. Now what I want to do, click once on the tutorial, on the material, and let's increase the bounciness. Let's go to 1. Let's stop the play and click one more time on it. And now let's try to jump again on it. Okay, now it's bounciness. So this is how to create a bounciness effect or a slippery effect in Unity without writing a single line of code. I hope this tutorial helped you out, and thanks a lot for watching.